So today we're going to talk about the ear. What we have here is the giant ear to look at. It's divided into three sections: the external ear, the middle ear, and then the inner ear. The external ear, of course, is made up of the auricle that traps the sound waves, pulls it in. We have the lobe of the ear here, and the external auditory meatus, where that sound wave will travel down to the tympanic membrane, or what we call the eardrum, and that's what we have here. And so the eardrum, or tympanic membrane, divides the external ear from the middle ear. The middle ear here, of course, is composed of our three ossicles, which are the smallest bones of the body. And I just had that off, and now I can't get it again. So we have the malleus, the incus, and the stapes. There we go. So the malleus is here. It's like your hammer. The incus is your anvil. And then here we have the stapes. That's actually broken on our model. The stapes sits on top of the oval window, which is the opening into the inner ear. So we have that there. The other portion of our middle ear here is the pharyngeotympanic tube that leads down into the nasopharynx in the back of the nasal cavity. So if we look at the inner ear, we have, like I said, the stapes sits on top of the oval window that opens up into the vestibule of the inner ear. This region here is the vestibule with the three semicircular canals. We have the anterior semicircular canal, the lateral, and the posterior semicircular canal. They are filled with a fluid called perilymph, and that's what this orange fluid in here is representing. This snail-like structure is what we call the cochlea. This is where the hearing portion of our inner ear is part of. As you can see, it spirals around and around and around. At the very tip, that's our apex, which contains the helicotrema inside of there. This is the cochlear nerve leaving the cochlea, sending the hearing sense back to the brain.